Hello students, myself is Samanto. Hope you are all well and safe at your home. Dear students, today I am going to discuss a new chapter from your learning composition mathematics book, that is Roman numerals. Okay, dear students, in your previous class you have learned that the Roman numerals of these numbers. Roman numeral of 1 is here 1. Roman numeral of 3 is this. Roman numeral of 4 is this. You have learned it in your previous classes. Okay. These numbers are called Hindu Arabic numerals and these numbers are called Roman numerals. Okay. So learn here. There are 7 basic numerals. Okay. There are 7 basic numerals. And 7 basic numerals are this: 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500, 1000. Okay, so Roman numeral of 1, you know this. 5, this is 10, 50. Here Roman numeral of 50, L. Roman numeral of 100, C. Roman numeral of 500, D. Roman numeral of 1000, M. M means 1000. Is it clear? Now, dear students, we will learn that how to write large numbers using Roman numerals, using that 7 basic numerals. Okay, so here rule 1: when a letter is used more than once, we add its value each time to get the number. Suppose here I and I, that means 1 plus 1. I means 1. Okay, so 1 plus 1, 2. X, x means 10. So 10 plus 10 plus 10, that means 30. Okay, here note, the symbol cannot be repeated more than 3 times together. That means here you cannot write x, and x. 4 times x, that means 40, you cannot write. Okay, so you can write only 3 times. Okay, next rule 2: when a symbol of smaller value is written to the right of a symbol of large value, add the two values. It's very important. Where I have written on the right side, okay, of larger value. Suppose this here 5 and this is 1, and where it is written 1 on the right hand side. So 5, when it is written on right hand side, we will do addition. 5 plus 1, that means 6. Is it clear? Similarly, BC, D means what? 500. C means what? 100. So obviously C is smaller. When smaller thing is written on the right hand side, we'll do addition. So 500 plus 100, that is 600. Is it clear? You have to learn this rule. Otherwise, you cannot do the questions from self practice. Okay. Here rule 3: when a symbol of smaller value is written to the left side, here it is left side of a symbol of larger value, the smaller value is subtracted from the larger value. Just see here, I means what? 1. X means 10. So 1 is here, it is the smaller value and it is written on the left hand side, so we'll do subtraction. So 10 minus 1, 9. Similarly, here C and M means 1000, C means 100. So C is written where? On the left hand side. So we'll do subtraction. So 1000 minus 100, that means 900. Okay, and here some notes. Just see here, D, L and D are never subtracted. And 2, I can be subtracted from B and X only once. X can be subtracted from L and C only once, and C can be subtracted from D and M only once. Okay, so here these rules and the notes you have to follow when you write the numerals. Okay, Now come to self practice 4 from your learning composite mathematics book. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks. So here what is given? Roman numeral given. From this Roman numeral you have to convert into Hindu Arabic numeral. Okay. So here just see X and IV. X and IV. And one thing you have to keep in your mind, that when you add or subtract, you can subtract only the basic numeral, basic Roman numerals, or you can add only basic Roman numerals. Okay, you cannot subtract or you cannot add the other numbers. Is it clear? So here X means what? 10, and IV means 4. So 10 plus 4, 14. Next B. Just see here CC. So C means 100. So C and C, that means 100 plus 100, 200. So right here 200. Next what? XX. XX means what? X means what? 10. 10 plus 10, 20. Here it is given 20. Okay. Now what is left? IX. IX means what? 9. So write 9 and do the addition. It will be 229. Is it clear? Okay. So make your concept totally clear. Okay. Next D. CDLII. Dear students, CD means what? C 500, D 100. So when C is written on the left hand side, we will subtract. So C means what? 100. So 500 minus 100. Okay. Next L. L means what? 50. And II means what? 1 plus 1, that means 2. 1 plus 1, 2. Okay. So it will be 452. 452. Okay. Question number 2. Write the following numerals in the Hindu Arabic system. Okay. So first we will solve F. Dear students, the left sum you solve by your own. Okay. So if you learn here properly, if your concept is clear here, then you can easily solve the homework. Otherwise you cannot solve. Okay. So listen. Dear students, F. XXX VII. Just see here. XXX means what? And VII means what? Obviously XX means what? 10 plus 10 plus 10. Okay. So 30, and VII, that means 7. So 37 is the answer. Okay. Next. Actually, in place of 7, you can write in this way: 5 plus 1 plus 1. That is also correct. Okay. Here VII, I written here directly 7. Okay. Now come to G. LVI. So here L and here VI. So dear students, L means what? 50. VI means what? 6. So this is smaller number. So when smaller number written on the right side, we will do addition. So write like this: 50 plus 6. It will be so easy. Okay. Now I. XLIV. Yes students, just see XLIV. Dear students, X means what? 10. L means what? 50. So can you add this X 10 plus 50? No, because here this is the larger than X. This is larger than X. So we cannot add, because when we add, the smaller will be on the right side, but here the larger on the right side. So we cannot add. Okay. So you have to think it different way. Here X is on the left side of L. L is larger, X is smaller, so we will do subtraction. So L means 50, X means 10. So 50 minus 10, 40. Just like this: 50 minus 10, 40, and IV means 4. IV means 4. Okay. So XL means what? 40. Keep in your mind. XL means 40. Now L. Okay, now first here solve it. 44. L. L X X X I. Dear students, L means 50 and X X X means 30 and I means what? Just see here all the smaller numbers on the right side. Smaller, okay, numbers are on the right side. So it will be 81. It will be 81. Next O. CC, that means 200. L means 50. I means 1. So do the addition. It will be 251. Okay. I hope you have learned it properly. Next Q. CD. Dear students, D means 500. C is on the left hand side, so we'll do subtraction. So C means 100. So CD means 500 minus 100. So 500 minus 100 what? 400. And here X X X, that means 30, and I that means 2. So it will be 432. Okay. Next R. M. M means 1000. XV means 15. X means 10 and V means 5. All smaller numbers are on the right side. So we'll do addition. So 1000 plus 10 plus 5, that means 1015. Okay. Next T. CMLXIX. So CM means what? Dear students, CM means what? M means 1000, C means 100. C is on the left hand side, so we'll do subtract. So it means 900. Okay. Now L 50, X 10, IX 9. So 1000 minus 100, that means for CM. This portion is for CM. Okay, next 50, next 10, and then 9. So do the calculation. Will be 969. 900 here 60 and here 9. 969. Question number 3. Give the corresponding numerals. Okay, so here Hindu Arabic numbers given, you have to change into Roman numerals. Okay. E. So dear students, first we will separate in this way. 59. Can we write 50 plus 9? Okay. So 50 means what? L, and 9 IX. So L IX. Is it clear? Next G. 64. So 60 plus 4. 60 means what? 50 plus 10 plus 4. 50 means L. 10 means X, and 4 IV. So L for 50, X for 10, IV for 4. Okay. 89. So how can we write 50 plus 30 plus 9? 50 means L, 30 means X X X, 9 means IX. Okay. 41. So dear students, can we write 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10? No, you cannot write 4 times X. Okay, so how will do? We write it this way: 50 minus 10, that is 40 plus 1. 50 means L and 10 means X. So minus, so X will be on right side or left side? Obviously left side, because here subtraction sign. So XLI. Okay, and I have told already that XL means 40. Okay, here CM means 900. Is it clear? CD means 400. Okay. Next J. 3280. Very easy. So write first in this way: 3000 plus 200 plus 50 plus 30. You know 3000 means what? 1000 means M. So 3 times M. So 3 times M. 200, that means 2 times C, CC, 50 L and 30 X X X. Actually, it looks so large, but it is very easy. Okay. Next M. So first separate in this way: 1000 plus 100 plus 10. 1000 M, 100 C, 10 X, M C X. Okay. Next 999. Okay. Very good question. Yes, students. Can you write 1000 minus 1? No, we cannot subtract 1 from M. Okay, so how we'll do? We write in this way: 1000 minus 100, that means 900. 100 minus 10, that means 90 plus 9. Because we cannot subtract 1 from 1000, we cannot subtract 1 from 100 also. That's why we have to solve it this way, otherwise it will be wrong. Okay, that's why I have told that follow the rules properly. Follow the rules properly. See the notes. So 900 cm, 90 xc. Why xc? C means 100 and here minus, that's why it will be on the left side. 10 means x, so xc, and for 9 ix, so it will be cm xc ix. Just remove the plus sign. cm xc ix. Is it clear? Very good. Question number 4. Write true or false for the following. B. The numeral for ix iv is 94. No, you have 9 and 4. You cannot write it this way. You have to write 94, 90 plus 4. So it will be false. Okay. Next, CCCI is written as 301. So CCC, that means 300. I, yes, you can add. Okay. MC, M means 1000, C means 100. C is on the right hand side, so we'll do addition. So 1000 plus 100, 1100. So it is true, and this is also true. Okay. So I hope the concept about Roman numerals is properly clear to you. Okay, so practice this and solve all the left sums of cell practice 4 by yourself. If you have any doubt, you please ask me. Thank you and have a nice day.